me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatilleros y huele a gran puta.
I know who really is behind the Bitcoin. It's Vladimir Putin. What's up, guys? It's your boys here, the Quattro, JCast, Crypto G, and CNC Radio, and your host, Crypto Ukrainian. Well, technical, all of us are hosts. We're gonna update you on crypto as usual. Some news, some charts, and some bullshit as usual. Okay, you guys don't mind if I jump into some news first? There's some shit happening with Solana. So Solana is up 15% and it hit at 20 months high. Stable in coins have increased every day for the last 10 days. And last week, Solana decentralized exchanges, DEXs, saw 11.24 billion in trading volume. It's basically the new weekly record. And on Tuesday, Solana DEXs hit 2.85 billion in trading volume, also a new daily record. Also, that is because there's some shiny new tokens coming out, meme coins, right? Coming out on Solana blockchain this week. And these meme coins aren't animal themed as usual, like dogs, cats, or whatever it is. They're actually based on famous people, but the names are spelled funny, kind of like Geo Bowden or Barack Obama or Donald Trump. And it's all funny and stuff, but some of these tokens saw 100x increases. So people who put $1 get $100. You know, that's crazy. And also another thing about Sol, the reason it's spiking is Pantera Capital. I don't know if you guys know about Pantera Capital, but back in 2013, they were basically the first Bitcoin kind of like fund, kind of like Grayscale, when Bitcoin was $100. And right just now, they purchased another 250 million worth of Sol. So something has definitely happened. It kind of gives Solana a stamp of approval. Pantera Capital has been, in the games before Grayscale, before anyone else. Yeah, that's basically it for the news. Obviously, Bitcoin is... Oh, another cool fact, guys, if you didn't know. If you guys heard of a movie called Dune, Dune 2 came out. And this is really weird that when Dune 1 came out in 2021... Bitcoin hit all-time high exactly on the day of the movie. And now Dune 2 came out and we hit all-time high again. That's kind of crazy, right?
Very neat.
I don't know if there's correlation or not, but yeah. What's up, guys? What's going on? That's it for the news.
Not much. How's your guys' days going?
Yeah, it's going.
Fantastic. I'm searching for Spice Coin right now.
Spice Coin?
Dune.
Ow. Shit. That's a good idea. That's actually a good fucking idea. See if there's a Dune 2 token or something that just got launched.
Nothing. Carry on.
What's up, guys? Let's see here. Who's got the charts? Boom. So Bitcoin. All right, yeah. So it's still going up from the point we told you to enter. It's still going up. What's your, Cincy, you still in that trade?
Yep.
What's your percentage now?
I got still at 540. I've taken 3/4 of the trade out. So I'm up.
Nice.
34 bucks on $6 that's left right now.
What's up, Bourbon? How's it going, man? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in.
Just a side note here. Red, Martin wants you to show us all your ponytail.
All right.
Don't get too excited.
Next question.
Next question.
Next question. Next question.
By the way, if you're wondering
That's
what that
hilarious.
hat is on me, my buddy brought it to me from Kazakhstan. It's a traditional Kazakhstan hat. It's called Tubiteka. I'm wearing it just for the fuck of it. I found it in a box that I unpacked, and I decided to wear it. And it kind of matches the colors of SLED. So, there you go.
It's pretty sharp, buddy.
Thank you. Jake,
Yeah,
you
what
want to
happens
show
if
us
you
some charts, man? Because last time you kind of lacked and you weren't as much on main stage on charts as Crypto G. So if you want to show us something this time. There we go. There's the pro charts. We don't hear your volume. Or you're muted. There we
Okay,
go.
I'll start. Here's my chart. I'm still looking for Bitcoin to go up past the new all-time high. I'm not in any longs. I know Alex is. I was looking to take any profits. I'd be looking to take 10 or 20% profits up here around 70,000. And then who knows, just see where it goes from there. I know Red's bias is we're going down, down, down. And he can explain that to us in a little bit. I'm still on this uptrend. We have new higher highs, higher lows, higher highs from this all-time high. There's just no way we're stopping right here. So that's where I'm looking at for the father of all coins, Bitcoin.
So the traditional high highs, high low, uptrend, which is good. Good. What do you think, Crypto G?
Hard to say. I got the reaction that I expected from yesterday's stream, as I said, about some swing failure pattern, some sort of liquidity grab of these local highs that we had.
Mm. Do you want to share
So
a
yeah,
chart
we
or?
kind of. Yeah, I can. Wait 1 second. Share screen.
CNC, did you find the June coin or what?
Nothing.
I like that brick
Nothing.
wall behind you, CNC.
Yeah, that's what my wife just slammed me up against it. Said hello.
You should have seen us building it yesterday. Jake has lagged out.
It's fucking mortar everywhere.
I bet the floor is a mess.
It's terrible.
Guys, while we're still on my chart here, I'm looking at Ethereum, and I'm looking at Ethereum taking the charge here. I know Ethereum has not hit its all-time high, but it is showing the same moves as Bitcoin. And also, if we can tell the future, it's telling me that we might keep going higher on Bitcoin. And as these guys in this chat know, I'm a fan of Ethereum, not a fan of Bitcoin. I think Ethereum's a little bit stronger. Dennis can tell you a little bit more about the backings of those coins, but I think Bitcoin's going to follow here pretty soon.
You're a
I got a
Vitalik fanboy,
trend
just
that
like me.
I got a trend here that Ethereum jumped down when Bitcoin cratered at all-time high, and it jumped right back to it, like snapped back to the line. So yeah, I agree.
Let's look at your chart for a minute there, Dennis. What do you got? What do you have planned here?
I don't really have anything planned for Bitcoin. I'm waiting for a short. I just wanted to max out finally, and I'm waiting for a big position trade for a down move. I will scalp it, however, here and there, but I didn't enter that position that everybody else entered that when we called it. Just taking it easy, not trading over time. By the way, guys, it's a good practice to our listeners. You don't need to trade every day, right? Even if you see something good, man, like who cares, right? Like market will always give you opportunities. Like you're never late to it. Doesn't matter if it's bull run, bear market, sideways market. Like anytime you open the chart, you can find something. So you don't have to burn yourself out and trade all the time. I've traded good enough last week, and for the past months, I've traded pretty much every day. I'm just kind of burnt out, taking it easy, just looking at charts. I'm excited about what Bitcoin is doing. And when I see an opportunity to short it, I'm just not, I just don't think it's done yet. And when the opportunity comes, I will short it as usual. I always catch the tops and I will make nice profit. Until then, I'm just going to watch it unless something really itches me and I decide to enter. But again, I am excited for some reason, still excited. Again, I've been talking about Bitcoin Cash, BCH, this whole time. And yeah, let me share the screen. BCH. So yesterday I told you guys that I'm waiting. If you remember, I told you that we were breaking this channel, not channel, sorry, 382 fib level, and I told you that we're going up, and I'm gonna look at the reaction of the golden pocket. So far, we've climbed 25 or so dollars. Could have made some money there as well. Waiting for that as well. So BCH hasn't hit its all-time high like Bitcoin did. That means it has a lot of catching up to do, and usually it sets. If Bitcoin Cash hasn't set its all-time high, I'm pretty sure there's a correlation of Bitcoin not setting it all-time high yet. When I see a new all-time high on
Officially.
Bitcoin, officially, yeah, consolidation, accumulation, whatever you want to call it again, then Bitcoin Cash will catch up. But I am
Right. So
in
that's
a long in this one.
so that's what we have to discuss. We're looking for a big short on Bitcoin here pretty soon, but where is that big short? Is it just a traditional fib? We have no data to go on historically because we haven't been as high as we just went last week. So where are we going to short at? What are we looking for, and how do we gauge it?
I haven't charted my GAN chart. I was going to show it to you this week or this podcast, but I guess I'm going to keep it till tomorrow, and I can throw you guys some forecasts using WD GAN and GANFAN and square of 9, because there are some levels on a square. I did check it briefly, actually. There are some higher levels. One of them was 72,250, which is plus or minus $150 because I scaled it to 100 plus or minus $150. So one of the targets on square root of 9 GAN box is 72,200, 74,150, 78,150. Those are the big targets on GANFAN, but we can dive into a more accurate one tomorrow. But that's using WD again. What else? What else, Jake asked? Do you think?
I think Red can pull up his chart now potentially and
Yep.
let us know what we've got going on.
All right, guys. As I said yesterday, what I was expecting is swing fail these highs to take the liquidity, and as you see today, we did. We swept the liquidity, and we are retracing it down. But the key area now is this point of control. If we able to close below it and lock some candles below it, and then I'm expecting to go even lower. Maybe this is the key area of liquidity too, but I'm expecting maybe even to go lower a bit to sweep lowers. Because this looks like some type of Elliott wave, like 1, 2, and 3 down, I guess. For me, I don't know about y'all, but I have some secret intel. Yeah, so
Oh yeah.
Secret intel, huh? You want to tell us your secrets?
well, I already told you. Told you yesterday, told you today. People are
So you think
guys,
we're
if you
heading down
would be
lower? We're going to start
listen to
making
me,
lower lows.
yeah, bro, like look at this chart. We are now in fair value gap. I missed this trade. I wanted to really to enter this trade, but I missed it. But it's okay. As
It's
Dennis
my
said,
fault. You can say it.
yeah, it doesn't
Yeah, I
matter.
heard there's a
It
little
doesn't
fight
matter.
between Red and CNC not even 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see like how it plays out. Like it's just a game of probabilities. And that's it. We'll see. We'll see. So yeah.
Nice.
Uh,
Um,
yeah. We have like major liquidity sitting here, like where's dollar signs.
hmm,
So yeah,
let's see something.
and
So let me switch off the
what
view. Switch on the
else?
view. So like I said, guys, I won't show you this today, but
Have
Bourbon
some
wants to know,
potential
can we
alts
do
too.
a live GAN analysis sometime? Yeah, he could probably do that for you sometime, but I don't think he's ready for it today.
Have some alts too, as you see. It's retracing to potential buying area.
one sec. Why is
So
my thing?
let's see. Maybe we'll able to catch some live trades here.
What are we looking at there?
Would be
Solana?
epic. Now, Sol's, I didn't do anything on Sol yet.
Solana's looking pretty strong.
Yeah, I'm looking to long this IMX.
IMX, okay.
Yeah, either here. I would like to go. Yeah, we're trading below. Wait, I need to delete. Yeah, yeah. I would actually rather take this type of trade than this one, but it's possible that we're gonna reject from here too and go up. Which yeah, I would prefer this, but if we rejecting here, then we're rejecting here. Uh, about this, yeah. This is the open. Yeah, below 50%. Yeah, like anywhere in this area, I'm looking for longs on LIN.
Lena,
Yeah, hey, Lena. Yeah, right,
that's a
Lena.
goodie.
And do I have something here too? This is not finished yet. Wait, wait. Let me
Take
retry
notes,
this real
take
quick.
screenshots, guys.
Because when this will come to realization, guys, we're just gonna be like, yeah, we told you, and you didn't take notes. So take notes on everything we're showing you.
How many viewers do we have?
8.
Have any? Oh, nice.
Thanks, guys.
Wait,
Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you follow, guys. This means a lot to us, and it also makes us more discoverable to other people, and they can hear what we got to say about charts as well. We got 2 people on Twitch. What's up? We got 2 people on YouTube. We got 4 people on X.
What's up, X, Twitch, and YouTube, guys? If you want to take a look at Floki is making some moves here. Floki, if anybody's into these alts, FLOKI is in a position where it can either break out or it can drop real hard. It's in a good uptrend here. I'm not saying go long, but I'm saying if we break out of this here, you can look for it to come back around. Look for this to come up here, swing fail, come down and find a long to take this because it looks like it could break out here pretty soon. Had a big move. Floki, keep an eye on Floki today and tomorrow.
Yeah, add it to your watch list, guys. So, again, to repeat what he said, we're going to grab higher liquidity. We're going to drop down into a trend. If the trend supports and we see a clear bounce of 2 consecutive, I don't know, at least 2 consecutive 15-minute candles, open along. Or open it right away with a small stop short. Not a financial advice, but that's what I would do. Not to miss a move, you know. Just look at candle velocity, simple price action.
Anybody in chat got any questions? Any retail traders out there want to know something? CNC.
So I'm going to show you this. So tomorrow, I'm going to show you guys how to use this. This is a software called Ganzilla. I use it to find key GAN levels. There's a protractor here. There's a cosmogram here, as you can see. Star alignments, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius. We got a protractor here. We also got, I'm going to scale this to reflect important high and important low, and I'm going to take that Bitcoin's range, enter it in the square, and we're going to find 45-degree angles, and we're going to enter these supports and resistances into our chart and trading view on Bitcoin, and we're going to see what we got for levels and how well they're respected, and that way we'll also be able to see the future key levels without even ever seeing them on TradingView, because those are all new all-time highs that we're going to be setting. We're going to be able to see the levels of support and rejection.
I put my money. We're gonna go down first. We trace a bit.
I'm betting against you.
Yeah, let's see who wins this bet, man.
Either way, there's gonna be one winner, and that's all that matters. Somebody's gotta make some money.
Late to hedge, man. We'll see. We might like go up like from now, but I don't believe it. We have like.
So Rex to Riches is asking how to search for coins about to pump on the 15-minute of the 50 EMA. I'm not sure what you mean by 50 EMA. I know like what 50 EMA is, but you can't really find coins that are gonna pump on 15-minute on 50 EMA. If you're looking for coins that are 24, you can just look at 24-hour gainers on your exchange, if that's what you mean. If you just want to see what's kind of like pumping and what's kind of shrinking, then you just open your exchange or open TradingView and look at the coins that have been the biggest gainers for the last 24 hours.
And I do that a lot. So I'll see what's doing if something pumps 50, 60%, I'll scroll down the list and see what has historically followed it or lagged behind it and has the highest chance of following it here. And then I'll look for a play in there. So that's how I'll find ones that'll do it. Because you look for the highest and the lowest performers of the day and then see who has the biggest chance of following through. Otherwise, you can't just magically tell.
Yeah.
We lost Dennis. Technical difficulties, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. He's back.
I accidentally clicked the mouse button and it took me out. I thought I ended the stream. 1 second, guys.
What you got, Red? You're on Ethereum? What you looking at?
I'm looking at places that it can reject from.
So you're looking back in time.
Yep.
I got some ice cream.
Oh, ice cream. Where's my ice cream?
For Ethereum.
So what we covered so far? Ethereum, we covered Bitcoin, we covered BCH, Floki, guys. We told you to keep an eye on it. Lena, keep an eye on that.
Illuvium, watch for a pullback.
Hello, Crypto G. Do you have a price target for Bitcoin? Thank you.
$1 million. Depends which way you are looking for. Now, to the lower side or upper side.
That's actually a good point. It depends which way you're looking. Usually, it's when you're looking at a higher position, you need to have a bias. You need to have two biases, guys. Always.
Yeah,
We do that a lot of times where we find, okay, so if this strategy is for a long position, then what would be a strategy for a short position? You always have to look at both.
This is really nice.
What's going on?
Yeah, Ethereum potential rejection at 4,060-ish. Potential big ass rejection. Wait, let me check my TV.
Sorry, guys. I gotta answer this call. You guys keep in charge.
Yeah, this is a level, that we are kind of close to. Wait, let's see how close we are to it.
So 4,061.35 red is a weekly open, and it's a very very strong level.
Yeah, and we have like previous range point of control. As you see, guys, now let me just give you a little lesson real quick about moving profile theory. Let's make this white color just to stand out. Let's mark this previous value area low. Let's make this color white. Clone. High. And let's make this point of control. Wait, and last thing that I want to do is pull a fib on this bitch.
That's a meme. Let's pull a fib on this bitch.
Yeah. Let's just magnetize top and bottom. Top is in. Right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is major rejection area for Ethereum. Let me just make a box here for y'all to see it. This is major rejection area.
Take your time, Red. We're waiting for you, buddy.
Yeah. Let's go again on 1 hour, I guess now. So yeah, guys, in this red box, you must look for shorts. This is very strong level, and yeah, like I would maybe even would go to Excel charts, look for monthly and weekly point of controls. I bet there are in this area, but when you're looking for rejections at these type of very key areas, you must like enter a position with. It's okay that there is like major levels like this point of control 786 and weekly, but you must look like for example, let me delete this for a second. Uh, Divergence is still into the level. For example, what I mean by that, let's assume price comes up, yeah, do something like this, test it, come down, test it again, and then come down. As you see, price gonna make higher highs. And what you want to see on like CVD, RSI, or whatever you're using. I'm using mostly CVD. There's CVD. There is no CVD on TradingView. There's like paid thing. Doesn't matter. You should see high highs and then lower highs on your RSI. This means like big people like whales are have their limit orders, short limit orders stacked, and when stupid people buys, they're just filling their whales limit orders, and when they get filled all the way, the price just tanks down, and a lot of people gonna get liquidated because
I'm
guys,
back, guys. Sorry.
to
All right,
be
ladies and gentlemen,
honest,
you heard him. Don't be a stupid person and buy right now. Just get on those
yeah,
shorts.
to be honest, guys, like this price action is no good. Yeah, like until here, this is might okay because we had like liquidation run, but this is this must be fixed in somehow way, like in some way. But yeah, like I said, guys, write this level down, just just so like next live stream or whatever the day comes, and I will say, oh, I told you so. Wait, wait, let me put the alert here, just just for me.
Another cool
Nine
thing, guys, to
nine
do is
times
add
out of 10,
alerts.
he's right.
Uh, Wait, did I? Yeah, I did. Yeah. So price is, guys, write this down from 40,000. No, not 44,000 equal to like 4,060-ish, a little bit above possibly. But yeah, this is a really strong level, guys. And keep in mind we have previous range point of control weekly and 786 pulled from bull market high to the bear market low. But there is a but. uh, Bitcoin, if we referencing with Bitcoin, what Bitcoin did with these Fibonacci pools, Bitcoin just said fuck this Fibonacci, man. Like Bitcoin just said fuck this Fibonacci shit, man. Like, look, yeah, got like we got like rejection like from 618 CC setup, and but here like 786 we just lose like nothing. But keep in mind, like, yeah, this is like key areas for Ethereum, like short term, and we're like really like close, like what 3%, or like this could happen in like in this stream, But what I expect to happen, oh shit, we are like dangerously close. Yeah, imagine price gonna come up, range a bit, right? Create some like liquidity, stop losses here, and then price just gonna wick, pull down, close below it, and then here we go. Expect some type of
Yeah,
reaction definitely from this area. Yeah,
that
like here
sounds like a plan. Key is to have a plan, and there is a plan here. What are you showing there, Jake? As some news about BlackRock?
Yeah, a little bit of ETF news here. ETFs
What
was
about
pushing
XRP?
XRP's trash. So
XRP,
ETFs
yeah,
was pushing Bitcoin up where it's going, and he was talking about not respecting Fibonacci and this and that and the other, and there's just
yeah.
no telling where it's going to go with the amount of money that is flowing in with this right here. Now, I'm not too familiar with mining versus, this type of institutional buying. Dennis is and CNC are much more familiar with that than I am, but this has a lot to do with it, and that's why as far as trading, I don't trade the news. I just trade the charts. That's all I do is just trading. I don't really pay attention to news that often, but this has a lot to do with that, and it just gives us nowhere that we can pinpoint where it's going to go. They could just wipe us out and drop it down to nothing. They could take it up to 100,000. Nobody knows, except for maybe these guys.
A lot of miners are mining these mining corporations that actually have CEOs behind them. They are saying that this could be that super cycle. And if you guys listen to me for a while, for a couple of years, entire bear market, I was saying that there is going to be a bull cycle that we haven't seen before. What we've seen is nothing. And I actually did even a fractal analysis, and I compared Bitcoin price action to Apple. And if Bitcoin is going to do anything that Apple has done, we're nowhere near the top. This is going to be the crazy cycle, like they call it a super cycle, and that's what miners believe. I personally don't care. I don't care. I'm a trader. So if I was an I'm an investor too, but for me, it doesn't matter if it goes up or down. I still trade it. But it's something to keep in mind for you investors. Don't sell too late and don't sell too early. Have a plan. Have an exit plan
Have a
already. Have
plan.
a exit
Have a
plan
plan.
already.
And never sell it all. Never sell it all.
Yep.
Oh, guys, okay, I forgot to tell other thing about Ethereum. Do you still see my chart?
We can. Here you go.
All right,
You're on.
that's what's up. But there is one but. If we, for example, hypothetically, right, reclaim this level, then other target is previous range value area high, and then expect a rejection here, maybe to previous range POC and so on. Or if we just blow through that, yeah, just I think this is like the last place that we can stop and reject. So if we blow through this, expect new highs. New highs.
Yeah, I mean, I think like you mentioned earlier, my chart's $4,061. I think that's it's a weekly open, a very strong one. I think that's your last point where we can go down on any kind of a move. Otherwise, Ethereum's gonna go up higher than it ever has.
There is the daily. Is not
Bitcoin
so
to, I mean, Ethereum to 15K. I love
If I was
Vitalik,
a
man.
holder, I would like that.
Did I tell you I
I
met
think
that guy in a press conference in Toronto, crypto conference, I guess.
Which guy?
We spoke our language. Vitalik
Oh,
Buterin.
Vitalik.
Yeah, we
which
spoke
Vitalik?
Russian.
The YouTuber?
No, Vitalik Buterin, the fucking creator of Ethereum, man.
Oh, that guy. Yeah, he's looking like a okay.
That guy, man.
Was he wearing a bunny
The only
suit?
reason you're sitting in your chair because of that guy. That guy. The fuck? Show some respect, man. Take your hat off and shades and bow down to the king of crypto, man. What the fuck? That guy. The amount of disrespect. I'm just fucking with you.
Bro, that guy reminds me a bit of Sam Bankman-Fried. Like
What?
I wouldn't.
Nowhere
Really?
near, bro.
What?
From looks, man. I ain't no.
There's probably
It's just
200
my
pounds
opinion,
in a
man.
bunny suit difference, right?
I'm not holding any Ethereum.
Noob. The whole 90% of all crypto you're doing is tied to it. So I don't know where you're not holding any. But are you holding it all? By the way, Crypto G, I never knew that. Are you actually accumulating anything, or are you just trading?
I'm accumulating XRP, XDC, Quant, XLM.
Nice.
I have a plan and stick to it.
Can I burst your bubble about XLM though?
I don't give a fuck about that bubble, man.
XLM is never meant to skyrocket. XLM is just meant to be hard fork of XRP to currency transfer. It was never meant to have any bull runs or anything. It's supposed to be steady.
You watch your mouth when you're talking about XLM, okay?
See, everyone is fanboying about something. I'm a
Oh,
Bitcoin maxi.
okay. I think I have a setup. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Okay, what is it, buddy?
All right, let me show you. Let's say, hypothetically, yeah, we took out these highs here, which was, let's clone this, will be easier.
Yo, Bourbon Jorp is asking, how do you know what's too late and what's too early? Levels.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Like, we need more concrete question. What does he mean?
To buy and to sell.
Oh, like, yeah, you use Fibonacci, you use like TA, you know. Use TA.
Well, I would say it's too late to buy Bitcoin right now because we just surpassed the
Oh.
all-time high. And I would
Yeah.
say
Don't buy now.
it's
Don't
too
be
soon to
FOMO.
short it because we can surpass it again.
Yeah, you
Don't-
should have
don't
been
FOMO.
buying when we were telling people 2.5, 3 years ago.
No,
When
but
Bitcoin
Anywhere-
was 15K, 16K, 17K, 19K, we were telling people to buy. You
Yeah,
don't
even
buy
at
now.
30K, 30K,
Even at
40K.
30K, you don't buy it now. I mean,
No,
you
you
can.
missed the boat
do you
here.
do you?
You-
If it depends for how long you are. Like if you're
Yeah,
here
you
for
missed
the
the
next
boat.
20 years, buy. Who cares?
Yeah, you just get ready to watch your money
Dollar
go down to
cost
nothing
average.
for a little while.
Yeah.
But you know
Possible
what?
to see
A
this type of
lot of
reaction.
people bought the top last time, and a lot of people are going to buy the top this time, whenever it is. Is
You know
Fib
what, though?
useful on small time frame? Rags to riches, Fibonacci is useful on any time frame. It's just the smaller the time frame, the less respected any level is going to be.
Yeah. All it is percentages of retracements. That's all it is. Like look at it that way. Obviously it's not all it is, but just look at it as percentages. Those numbers 68, 716, 382, those are actual 38%, 61%, 65%, 86%. That's all it is. It's measuring a move from the high to the bottom, for example, and it's showing you the wave down or up, and it's showing you how much percentages of the entire move got retraced. That's all it is.
So don't forget, guys, every time we hit an all-time high, 100% of Bitcoin investors are in profit.
Mm-hmm. That's
When
right.
we're what? Sorry, I zoned out.
Whenever I talk, you zone out. But whenever we hit an all-time high, every single Bitcoin investor is in profit.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm going to share my
That's a good
screen
way
for a
to look
minute
at it.
here. Going
Yeah.
back to rags to riches, you want to know about Fibonacci? Is it useful? Me personally, on trading, I will not trade Fibonacci by itself, but I will trade Fibonacci with Confluence. So, for instance, this half line, this 382, has nothing to do with anything that I would do. The 618 looks like a pretty good spot, right? So, if Ethereum on a 5-minute chart were to come down here and play in the 618, I've got other things I can look at. I've got a backside, I've got a front side, and then I've also got what Red and them like to call is a order block right here.
Show me.
So I have
What do you
1,
call
2,
order
3. Anyway, so we got 1, 2, 3 confluences here. So if Ethereum was going to come play down in here, I would look at considering on a scalping position, possibly entering in this box somewhere, and then looking for it to take off somewhere. 786 is one of my favorite levels. 886 is the most greedy level, in my opinion. 886 doesn't really come anywhere except for liquidity grabs. 786, we've got some more interest down here. See, right here is a little range that you can pull in this little spot. Range for a little bit. 786 is lining up with that. You can find some levels in there. So Fibonacci, and we can use this on 1 minute. We can use all of this on 1 minute levels too. You can take this Fibonacci here, assuming that we're going back in an up move. You can pull. And of course, let me move this over so you can see more relative of what it might do. You could take this right here and have Ethereum, assuming this is the low for now, come back up into your golden pocket. We've got another little order block right there that people love. We've got top side level right there. We've got a backside level right there. So that's a good little spot if we were to continue this down move to have a retracement and take it out. One, it's going to take out this liquidity. It's just small liquidity, but it is liquidity. It's going to tap into this block here, catch a couple levels, catch the golden pocket, and you can write it back down to this next one here, and you can trade these up and down all day long. We can go down to a 30-second chart and run Fibonacci, but again, me personally, I'm not going to run just Fibonacci by itself. If you just pull Fibonacci, or you just pull levels, or you just pull fixed ranges, or any of that BS by itself and trade, you're going to fail. You have to get as many different strategies together that you can learn and put them all together. And when they all come to a point, that's going to be your highest percentage of getting any kind of a good entry.
Yes, exactly. This uncle is right about that.
Screen is very small with time frame. Well, I was on 5-minute time frame at first, and right now it's on a 1-minute time frame. I'll pull these back up on this 1-minute time frame for you. So this is a 1-minute time frame here. This is not me giving you guys a trade, by the way. Yeah, look at it, see how it reacts. You could, if you were to enter a short here, you could, get a small position. Stop loss has to be above the high, and then you could try to write it down here. But this is, although not a trade, it is a way that I would be doing trades.
Guys, everything that we are saying is not financial advice. Keep in mind.
There you go, full screen. Does anyone trade using tick data? No clue.
Oh, he's probably talking about Excel charts. Are you?
We talking about their bourbon?
Tick size. I think that this is what he means.
Do you have Excel charts, JCast, to show?
I don't subscribe to Excel charts anymore. I canceled it. It was useless to me. And don't get me wrong, Excel charts is brilliant and amazing, but
Somebody is teleporting through your wall like in Harry Potter.
What do you mean?
My wall?
No, CNCs.
Oh yeah, there.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
He's a Harry Potter fan for sure.
What is tick data, Dennis? Do you know?
I think he's talking about Excel charts as well, unless I'm not sure.
Let the man answer. Ask him. What does he mean?
He can hear us.
What do you mean, man?
So
What
like
do you
when
mean,
when my dog has ticks, I don't trade. I take the ticks out.
Yeah, true.
All right, guys.
Very true.
What do you say? Good for today?
What do you mean?
Yeah, I think we're good. Nothing major's happening right now.
3-7. Wait. I wanna clear Ethereum real quick for the boys. 1 second. 3-7, 26, right? 3-7. Oh shit! Yeah, this is here. Wait 1 second now. 3-day.
You're welcome, Bourbon.
Yeah.
What's your call, Red? What's your official call here on Ethereum? What are we doing? Are we longing this? Or are we shorting it?
Longing? No, not now. We need to see some type of retracement. Preferably, like in the perfect world, yeah. What you would expect to short, when you want to short is Ethereum to retrace all the way down, swing fail these lows, maybe get into this high time frame point of interest, maybe even tap this daily, then get your confirmations, maybe market structure shift with some fair value gaps, and then ride it up to the sky, man. Come on, like that POC and that weekly
Print screen.
Yeah, like easy money. LOL. Yeah, so this is my thought process. If it goes below this, yeah, it will come here and reject probably short. Not sure, but I would love to see a reaction from this area. If we not going below here, but if we are like just like swing failing these lows, then yeah, let's go to this point. That's it.
Yeah.
And then try to write it down. Try to write it down. That's it.
Is trading
Up
as
and
easy
down.
as just wait for pumps on any time frame, but using 50 and 21 EMA and wait for price to dip below and then climb above EMA and touch before climb? No, man.
Oh,
Um,
bro,
no.
like to be honest, I don't even use any EMAs and shit like. And this thing, I rarely use. I just turn on this just for reference,
Yeah, it's good for
to explain
reference.
like the divergences and stuff. But I don't use that stuff. And like, no, these EMAs.
Rags to riches. I got a very simple answer to that. Trading is just as easy as what works for you. Now, it's not what works for you may not work for everybody else, and what works for you may work for everybody else. What is best with trading, and this is the most important for any type of trade, whether you're just buying or you're actually day trading or you're high leverage trading, is know how much you can lose. Once you have your risk management under control, then everything's going to be fine. Learn as many strategies as you can. EMAs are great. I don't use them. CVD's great. I don't use them. I use very little things, but as many things you can. Elliott wave and GAN and levels and Fibonacci. Fibonacci's incredible. Learn as much as you possibly can. No, trading is not easy.
Can I say two Rex to Rich is the most easiest like strategy ever that he will like find. Very quick, very easy. Like that's it. Oh, Rex to Rich is listen. Write this shit down. I ain't gonna repeat myself. For example, yeah, we had this low, right? We came up, we created a high here, right? What we did, we swing tailed this high, and now we might retrace down to take out these liquidity. And you just trade like channel, like horizontal channel. That's it. Easiest
Yeah.
setups ever.
Here, let
Like
me show
like
you.
swing failures. Doesn't matter
Uh,
even the time frame. Like you
so
can use big
if
ass
you are
time frame.
interested,
Swing trades.
if you are interested
This
in
is easiest.
RSI and MACD trading, if you like these oscillators, what people call them, they're lagging indicators. They're based on past history, but in general, I don't trade much of it on that, but I look at it as a reference. But I used to make a lot of money just trading RSI and MACD together, and the way I did it is I just looked for overbought area on MACD. Oh, sorry, volume change on MACD. So when two lines cross, right, and I also see that it's overbought on RSI, and only when two of these align together, right? Because it's not all the time that it's like that. Like here, it can be on top, and here at the bottom, right? You see RSI here is at the bottom, and here MACD is still on top, and the lines are just crossing. So you would never enter this, but I would wait for both of them to line up, and when it happens on a 30-minute or 1-hour chart, I would start looking at shorts. And if you look at here, if I open a short here, because the line's crossed and RSI is going down, potential 5% move. And then obviously we went back, we swing failed this. We could have waited and re-entered. You can wait for a confirmation of price to climb too if you want to play it safe. And then once we did this and we swing failed, you would take this hold level, for example, and you could write it to 2 3. Obviously you would take profits on the way, but you would have gotten 10-14% right there. This doesn't always work, just like anything else. There's no one fits it all strategy. You always got to change. You always got to have levels. You always got to have a whole bunch of weapons in your arsenal. But it is simple, and it could be profitable if it works for you. For me, man, for years I just traded that, and it's all in your risk management. If you have a good risk management and you know how to set your stop losses, you want, you can't lose a lot on this.
Rags to riches. Don't be hungry to find 4,000% increases like CNC or Star X or any of them. That's not what you go for. What you go for is just winning trades. Case in point, we've had Star X go. What are y'all doing with the game? Where did CNC go? We've had Star X go 8,000% and then liquidate in the same week, right? So it doesn't matter if you go 4,000%. My optimal trade is 15%. If I can get 15, if you have $100,000 and you earn 15%, you tell me you're not happy and you're going to wait for 4,000. I mean, don't be silly. 4,000 happens. I've done it. They've done it. Everybody on the screen has done it. Maybe not CNC, but the rest of us. And it's great, but it's not something that you just shoot for every time.
Yeah, like keep in mind, Rex Riches, you here to make money, like not to make history, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. I think we're gonna call it. Just make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you follow us on YouTube, on X,
On
on
socials,
Twitch,
yeah.
on all socials. You can visit our website for all our social links at getsled.net. Join our Discord. We have 1,600 plus members there, 24/7 support. People are talking about charts, showing their profits, calling positions. We have special titles for people who actually make calls and are allowed to make calls on Discord. We've had those people really hard. If you see a message from JCast, CNC, Crypto, or me, if it's a call, make sure you explore it and see what that is we're calling.
Or like
but
ask questions, you know, about
ask
our calls.
questions.
Like,
Always, guys. You always want to be in a community, so please join. It's free to join. It's open to public.
and
we'll
work hard.
see you. And we'll see you
Wait.
tomorrow.
Work hard.
Always
See you
set a
tomorrow.
stop loss. Always set a stop loss. I don't fucking
Always
care
have
what you're
a
doing.
plan. Have a plan, guys.
And Red,
Always
this
stop.
is
Have a
this
plan.
is freaking meme worthy. We're here to make money, not history. That's like on point.
Yeah.
That's right.
Maybe
Gentlemen,
I'm here
good seeing
only
you.
once to make-
Everybody in the
to
chat,
make
thanks for the
history.
questions.
Yeah.
We'll catch you
Peace.
guys next time.
Peace out, guys. Stay safe. God bless.